Today, by following TV, I have come to this beautiful town which is found in the province of Venice. It is called Donà di Piave. Donà di Piave. So you see, the name of the city comes from this river. This river is called Piave, River Piave. So they named the city, or the city was built on this river. I've come here to vlog. So when you see this video, kindly like it for me. I'll be taking you through the city. I'm starting from this beautiful river. Then I'll be moving into the city. Then I'll show it to you how beautiful this city is. So kindly subscribe to my channel and like it for me. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's move deep into the city to find out what the city is made up of. If you like this video, kindly share it, kindly like it for me. TV, bringing this video from Donà di Piave in Veneto. This city is found on Veneto, or in Veneto, the province of Venice. Yes, close to Veneto, the beach city. It's beautiful. Currently, I'm walking on this steel bridge. I'm going to show the river Piave. That big river. It's one of the biggest rivers in northern Italy. It passed through many towns and cities. Especially here in Veneto, most of the towns are named after this river. We have Donà di Piave, which is over there. There's Donà di Piave. We have other cities built on this river. So here you can see, that's the river over there for you. The place I was before coming up here. Okay, so that's it. Now we'll be going to the city to show the city to you. Beautiful. It's over there, you can see. Beautiful over there. Okay, let's move. Let's go there and see. Okay, now this is the town that I'm just entering. This is the entrance into the city. That's the bridge over there. Yes, now let's follow me. It's a beautiful city. Beautiful city. Okay, now let's go. So as a matter of fact, when you find this video, kindly subscribe it. If you want to see beautiful cities in Italy, this is a right place to be. It's a right place to be. And it will be from here, we'll be bringing you many of such videos. Such a nice place, such a beautiful place, underestimated. So here is the center of the town, or the city. You can call it whatever you want to call it. being in a town or a city. I think that's the main square over there. It's a beautiful city. It's a beautiful city indeed. Don't forget to subscribe it to us. Okay. Enjoy it. In fact, I don't want this video to be long, so I will be ending it soon. And this is Donà di Piave. I have another video on that is walking tour. So if you want to, you can look at that one too. You can see the whole town and how it is made. But it's a beautiful place. You look at it, how they have arranged these flowers. The flowers they have is well arranged. It's beautiful, kept different types of flowers. In fact, it has beautified this city. Yes, Link GHTV, back for Link GHTV from Donà di Piave. Okay, look at that church over there. Look at this place. Okay, it's a beautiful place. Then you see this fountain over here. It's a beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. Okay, so this is where I end this video. If you want to see the whole town, there's another video. I also upload that video. You can watch it and you see how this beautiful town is made up of. Okay, so bye for now. And don't forget to subscribe to Link GHTV. Bringing you this video from Donà di Piave, which is found in Veneto. The city was built on a river called River Piave. It's a beautiful city indeed. Okay, ciao, ciao, bye-bye, ciao, 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 ciao.